Project Gore Fage Story. My story planning time. I had experience embarrassing chat. I had experience is with my co-workers. I had felt terrified at chin. It happened in San Agustin Park of November 2018. It was bear called a Samic feeds with rents. I was to take a still San Agustin Park with action, both a room for a wanker and a cheaper hotel nearby to San Agustin Park. With I arrived the hotel early to stud out Chabot, Vines, and is going to San Agustin Park. Then with Hacken Inc. We thought photos around it. We were fascinated with the beauty that this place has. Actor, we got 2 hours with realized is that with where it that says please start with started the war. So we were last and the ancient people appear with a short guns that we decided to approve. Temens asked for help they get as a met and with power of genius. Was I that met? We must consider the recommendation that the tour guide or people is sure of the place to visit his eyes. Moreover, before we go to the place with a shoot, look for information about the place to visit. Thank you. Bye bye.